Wait.
Okay.
Okay, I'm recording.
Okay. Hello, Shermamba fans.
Wait, I have that exact shirt. Anyways, kayak. That's all you need to know about the game. Anyway,
Okay. Hey, you forgot to do the introduction.
that was the
See?
introduction.
Hey, Shermamba fans.
No, your boat.
You come here. Come here. Oh my god, you're
Guys,
so dumb.
this game is totally named. The game of the name is kayak.
No, it's not. It's literally like I forgot. Sorry, guys.
Wait, no,
No,
we're going the wrong way.
Turn. Go. Go. Oh my god, I'm doing this so wrong. Okay, okay. I think I got the hang of this. I want a gasolina. I want a gasolina. And a boat on a gasolina. I want a gasolina.
Nice.
I know, I'm so nice. I put on a gasolina. I put on a gasolina.
That was fast.
Okay, get ready for this, okay? Oh crap. No! No!
Wait, no, I'm not at the edge.
Oh.
Go.
That wasn't that bad. I was just being dramatic. Only cans purchased 5. Oh, okay.
Longer strokes move you faster.
We know that. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god.
Stop,
Oh no.
stop.
No. Okay, I got this.
That was literally your fault. Like,
shut up. Hey, at least they saved us. You did nothing.
how could you say that?
Because I'm so
I did do
mean.
something. I literally turned the whole boat. No! Stop moving! Alright, we're good. We're not good.
Okay, but sorry that Maddie isn't here, you guys, because she is taking a big fat jump. No,
Yeah,
she isn't.
she had explosive diarrhea from her Baja Blast from Taco Bell. No!
Oh my god.
Ah! Seriously, why is Maddie here? She's seriously
here?
taking her. No, she is not. She's seriously taking her time. With that 1 second that she said.
Of course, man.
So,
Row, row, row the boat gently down the sea. Merrily, 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 life
we
is
are
like
gonna
a
die.
Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream. Oh my god.
Did the clouds ever feel like an image? Cause they don't move. Like the sky looks like an image because the clouds don't move.
You just got a point right there.
What?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream. Oh, we're okay. dude, I'm so stressed right now.
No, not these again.
No.
No!
No.
Hell no to the no.
No.
Rubber duck.
No. Rubber ducky. I'm gonna name you Bob. Bye, Bob.
No. Why'd you go forward?
I'm so sorry.
I wonder how Maddie's doing right now, with her explosive diarrhea on the toilet.
I'm gonna wipe her butt with baby wipes.
I hate doing that all again.
Turn.
No! Oh my god. What the
No.
heck?
I'm so scared right now. Okay, you guys. If I bet you if I can
Hey guys,
pass that.
whenever we die, blame it on Brianna because she's really, really bad at this game.
Shut up. Shut.
This is her for her first time.
If I die starting now, you you give us a like. Yeah. Starting now. Okay. Oh my god. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, we're
What?
okay. We're okay. We're okay.
What the heck? That was
that was
let's go to the
personal.
Robux. No!
Dude, stop. Stop. Stop.
Why does that keep happening?
I don't know.
What did you do last time that saved us?
I turned the boat like with my full strength.
Did you?
Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream.
Yes, life is like a death.
Row, row, row your boat.
Remember, kids, life is death. Life is like death.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Should I turn?
Merrily, life is like a dream.
Are you on Mobile?
Mobile?
Yeah, are you on Mobile?
No.
How are you? Anyways, can you like hurry up, please? Like I'm waiting. Oh, not again, dude. Look, we keep doing this. Like,
Did you
wait, try to go like over there instead.
Did you hear me like that?
No. What the heck? I really thought we were gonna make it there for a second.
Yeah.
I always wonder if if that is actually real or not.
Okay. Turn the freaking boat. Stop. Turn. No, stop. What are you doing? What are you doing,
What
dummy?
are you doing? I'm not even controlling it. You are. Whoa.
Oh my god. I'm dying right now.
Sequel to the prequel.
Oh my god. This is so
Me
funny.
cool.
Oh my god. Help. Did you see me spin? Dude.
Yars. You totally slayed.
Did you see me spin though?
Go now. Dude, I'm waiting.
Did you see me spin?
Yes. Also, don't mess this up, bro.
Okay. Don't put pressure on me, otherwise I'll get really anxious.
Hate when people put pressure on me, like literally. Like it is so annoying.
Dude, stop.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay. Oh, okay. I figured out the trick.
Yeah, bro. Look, I'm a master at turning, bro. I'm like so good at this game.
Yeah, guys. If she does this ultimate master turning trick, you gotta give a subscribe.
What did you do?
Dude.
We were perfect right there.
I'm sorry.
Dude, stop. This is not okay. This is offensive behavior.
You do it then. That's what you do it. You suck.
Wait, I kind of forgot how to do this. It's been a while since I've done it forward.
Oh my god, dude. Let me do it. Dude, just let me do it. Okay. You're just a big baby that doesn't know how to do anything.
I'm not a baby.
Yes, you are. You're a big.
I'm not a baby.
You're a big. Big baby.
Nice.
Noise. And don't worry when we're going very, very fast.
Okay, that wasn't.
Guys,
Never mind.
we're so fast right now. Dude, stop turning the freaking boat. Oh, I see now.
No! You're going too far. I told you were going too far. Why didn't you stop?
I don't know. Okay, let's go. Get in. I'm really anxious right now. Stop. Okay. Turn. Okay.
Hey guys, comment down below when you joined Roblox. I joined in, I don't know, probably like 2015. Comment below what year you joined Roblox and your IP address. I'm kidding. You're not. Hey guys, if your credit card number was your password, what would your password be? Comment below in the comments.
I think my spine broke.
Finally, my dream has come true. True, to break your spine. My dream is to break my friends' spines. What about you guys? Comment down below.
Comment down below if you think that when we grow up, we'll be famous. No, we will not.
Yeah, I agree with Brianna's very true statement. Okay.
Oh my god. If you're watching this video, go watch the we're playing Run by a Wall. What was that video again?
Get crushed by a wall.
Get crushed by a wall video.
Why do you like that video so much?
Because I scream very violently.
Nice. This can still work. I mean,
we're
still good.
We're not
What the heck?
good. Dude, we're not good.
Yeah, we are. Dude, we can just get up there and flip ourselves again.
How?
We're doing it right now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now go again, and then we'll flip ourselves.
Fine. Sure.
No, we're going the back. We're going the backward. We're going backward. I'll just let you do it. No.
Well, it didn't work. Okay.
We can still do it this way. I mean, we're still okay.
Actually, yeah, it's quite fine though.
Not fine.
One purchase is flip your boat. Yes, please. Okay, let's get to that guy. We need to flip our boat. No, get to the guy. No, get to the guy. Get to the guy.
What guy?
The guy with the cola.
How do we flip our boat that way?
It's Robux, of course. Oh my god.
Dude, what the heck?
We flipped our boat.
Yeah. Gross.
Why do we always do our videos late at night?
It's not late. Wait, is it late? I don't know if it's late.
I don't even know what time it is. It is probably 1 a.m. right now. Oh crap! Oh crap! Stop! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! Okay. How about you guys? Okay, write down in the comments that if you think that we'll pass this level, you guys.
I remember when I used to stay up, dude, like until like 7 a.m.
No way.
Like when I was 8 years old.
Dude, I would only like stay up at like 2 or 3 because I'd be way too exhausted by then.
Dude, nowadays sleep is the best thing that could ever exist.
Dude, for real! Sleep was like the best thing. Do you want to hear about my dream last night?
Yeah.
So I was in this weird maze. No, but this was actually true. I was in this weird maze, and then I saw like a shadow. So then I was running, and I was running, and I was running, and then crap. Okay, and I was running until I stopped, and I went to a dead end, and I got so scared till my mom woke up. No, my mom woke. No, actually no, my mom didn't wake me up. That was another time. Until I realized it was Shrek, and then I was like, "Yo, what's up, man?" No, this was actually true. This is true, so don't think it's fake. No,
It's really fake.
no, it was Shrek. I'm being serious. Okay, but
I wish Shrek would appear in my dream.
yeah, and then it just went all dark, and then Donkey came in. This is all based on true events, guys.
You know, Maddie used to like literally worship Barney the dinosaur.
No,
She would say her favorite song is the Barney was a dinosaur song, and if I said it was bad, then let's just say bad things would happen.
what would happen?
Mm,
Oh
stuff. Okay,
God.
we cannot let this happen again. Just
Okay, we
try
got.
to go to the middle this time.
Write down in the comments if you think that we'll survive. Okay, stop. Okay, we. I think the 10th try is the lucky number. 10th.
The 10th. The
Yes.
10th.
Yes.
The 10th.
Pink unicorns. Well,
Ooh ee ooh ah ting tang walla walla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ting tang walla walla bang bang.
pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
I
Pink
told the
fluffy
witch doctor I was in love with you, bum 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 bum. And then the witch doctor he told me what to do.
rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink
Dude,
fluffy
please do not mess this up this time, please.
unicorns. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Oh no,
Yeah. Pink
big
fluffy
fluffy unicorn.
I screwed up.
Yeah, you really did, dude.
Okay, we're going back up and then we're going back down. Come on, flip. Do a flip. Do a flip. Okay, you know what? We're just
Do a
gonna die.
flip.
We did a flip. We did a flip. Okay, let's
Do a flip.
Okay, I dare you guys summon the song Pink Fluffy Unicorns in the comments.
Big fluffy unicorn.
Dancing on rainbows, pink fluffy unicorns dancing
It's
on
raining
pink fluffy unicorns.
coast.
Rainbows, pink fluffy unicorns dancing.
raining tacos.
You know how I remembered that song?
You thought of a unicorn.
No, okay, so I was scrolling through TikTok and then like I saw this loop video where someone did pink fluffy unicorns in a loop. So then I was listening to it for like about 15 minutes straight and
I'm literally gonna kill you.
I'm sorry. And I was listening it for like 15 minutes straight. So then like I was literally saying pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing. Ah! I'm drowning. I'm panicking. I run. I go bye bye. Bye loser.
Bye.
I go deep in the ocean. Okay, come here. Come here. Come. Could you come here?
Can you wait?
No, I cannot wait. Oh, I did. Okay. Pink fluffy unicorn. So like I said, I was listening to it for 15 minutes straight, and then I was singing for the whole day. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. And you know what was the embarrassing thing?
What?
Okay, I need to tell the people that's listening. So I was getting brand new shoes today. Oh no, I guess I did not sing it there. Never mind. I thought I sang that song at the place where I was getting my shoes.
Noise.
Dancing on rainbows. Big fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Big fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on
Oh my god,
rainbows.
did we actually make it?
Unicorns
We
dancing on
actually made
rainbows.
it! Past that!
Unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy. Stop! Stop! Hashtag Sherlin's is emo and depressed now because
Yes,
we can't
very
get.
emo.
Oh, good job. Okay,
What did I
I'm gonna
do?
Why did you do it? That looks like a burrito now. The hell?
What if it is a burrito?
Well, for riding a burrito. Imagine there's like a game where like ride in a burrito.
I definitely play that.
Ah, crap.
Dude, guys, stay tuned for May 19th for the Jealousy Chapter 2 upcoming chapter. We will definitely record that and play that.
Yeah, so like when the new chapter comes out, we're gonna record and play that. So stay tuned for us recording that. And hit the bell button if you really want to hear our notifications of posting.
Yars.
Oh. Okay. But guys, we are so sorry we haven't been posting in like
3 months.
3 months. Yeah. It's because we've been really busy.
Also, because if I'm being honest here, I forgot to upload and I'm lazy. Who cares? Nobody even watches this channel.
Yeah, that's true. But some people do. But we keep it 40 minutes long because sometimes it's so funny. So.
Dude, the new trailer looked. Did you see it, by the way?
No.
You have to see it, dude. I can send you the link after we
Wait,
we finish recording.
In the server in like Discord?
Yeah, in game announcements.
In the game announcement? Oh, I gotta check right now.
Dude, the trailer looks so scary.
Dancing on rainbow. It was scary? Wait, hold on. Let me see right now. Wait, it was scary?
Yeah, it looks super scary. It was realistic.
Wait, game announcements?
Yeah.
Holy crap. Okay, I gotta see. Don't screw this up. Okay, I'm watching it right now. Dude, there's a stupid Ross ad right now. Okay. Whoa. Dude, they made it so realistic.
I know.
The Mimic is really improving.
Yeah.
I love this game.
Okay. Remember when we first like ever played the Mimic and how different it was back then?
Oh my god, I remember I would scream like, yo, I don't want to do this crap no more.
You're so scared back then.
Yeah, but now it's not that scary anymore.
Wait, dude, I remember like me and Maddie, like when we were picking horror games and you were there, we would always be like when we found one, Maddie would always be like, maybe that's too scary for Brianna though. We should pick another one. And I was like, yeah, we should.
Oh yeah, I remember. I remember. I remember we were playing this one horror game, and then I literally started crying. Do you remember that? Remember? I was crying. Don't you remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Dude, I was crying. I was literally bursting. And I was like, no, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I don't want to do this anymore. And like, since I was crying and whimpering, it was so hard to like understand me.
Yes.
Like, it was so unclear to hear me.
Oh wait, dude. It's like someone were crying and like and you say like what's wrong, and then they're like they talk so unclearly and you're just like, I can't understand you. What? What the heck? Dude, I am so confused right now.
I got to game mode and I did not want to die. So I had to do what I had to do. And now we're upside down.
Well, we're still going though. We're fine.
Okay, so when we get to the next level,
we need a new kayak.
No, it's a boat.
We need a new Bugatti.
Oh crap. Turn.
Where is it?
No. Dude, stop! Go back! No! Go back! No!
What the heck?
What the hell?
What are you doing? How are you doing that?
I don't know.
How
did I do that? Guys, I think I have magical powers.
Dude, Maddie's still on the toilet. She hasn't messages us all day.
Dude, she always say like, "I'll be there in a second," and then she takes like a whole hour.
She's probably grunting so hardly on the toilet right now.
Oh crap.
Wait, what? How do you do this?
Oh. Dude, how am I doing this? I have magical powers.
Too soon.
I'm okay. Don't worry about me.
Oh, I didn't. Anyway.
Pink unicorns dancing on rainbow. Pink fluffy.
There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. Olay, 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 oh Lord.
Did you see me try to keep it up? Like, I was literally holding on for dear life. Did you see me?
Yeah, but it didn't work.
Yeah, true.
There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Rainbows.
I can't stop thinking about the story you told me about. Oh, when you when you thought the random guy was Carlos.
Oh my, don't.
Who's Carlos?
Okay, I'll explain the story, but without his real name. Okay, so we're gonna call him Max. Okay, so
Max.
what? Yeah, Max. Okay, so my mom's friend. Okay, so my mom's friend was with what the hell? My mom's friend was with me, and he was going to the store. So I was like, "Can I come?" He was like, "Yeah," and he asked my mom first or whatever, and we went. So I was at the mall, and I think it was an escalator. I don't know, and I was following him until I was like, I thought this other man like was Max. So I was like, "Yo, okay," but guys, remember, I'm Mexican. So don't get too judgmental. I was like, like okay. But this is what I thought in my head. So I was following this guy. I was like, and I saw something. I was like, hey, I wanted this. So I was like, hey, Max, and he was like, Max, and I was like, oh, because it was a straight up Indian man, and I was like, what? And I got so scared, and I was like, I sat there, and he's like, who? So I ran back, and I saw Max, and I was like, yeah. Well, I'm holding your hand till we go back home. And here's something that I didn't tell you. That guy was staring at me when I ran back to him.
Wait, what is his like? What was his reaction? Like, what was his face like?
It was like, what? Huh? Like he turned like it like kind of dramatically, but not really. It was so weird. I was like, hell? And in my mind, I said like, it's an Indian man. What the hell? Well, no, no. Like Indians are fine. I was like, what? Because like, I swear I was following Max. Like I have no against it. Like trust, Indians are fine. I'm not being bad. Okay, but like I swear I thought I was following Max, and like I was like, oh, so I literally like skedaddled, literally like I like skedaddled back to Max. I was like, I wanted that.
Oh,
And you know something? You want to know something?
yes.
I never got that thing.
What was the thing that you wanted?
It was like a toy. It was like a toy.
Because when you grow up, just notice that toys become more meaningless.
You know what? Let's leave. Okay. Today we are gonna leave. We'll make a part 2 soon, okay, you guys?
Totally awesome.
Bye, guys.